Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about a better source of strength. There was one pillar holding up the entire bridge that was under construction after the storm had passed through. It was too much weight for one lone pillar to bear. And soon it came toppling down with everything on top of it. It's not surprising, really. One pillar was never intended to hold it all up alone. Here's the truth. It is not all on you. You don't have to be the lone pillar in your life. Today, tuck this truth in your heart and mind. Repeat it as often as you need. The truth is this, that God always lends his strength. Your strength will fail. His will not. Listen to this truth in Psalm 73, verse 26. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. And listen to Philippians 4:13. It says this. It says, I can do everything through him who gives me strength. Whatever God is leading you towards, he will lend you the strength needed. Turn to him. His ever-present strength, it is available. You are not intended to hold everything up and hold it all together on your own. So what does the strength of God lent to you look like? It could be the strength to remember that he is with you. He could lend you the strength to cry out to him. He could lend you the strength to set a boundary. He could lend you the strength to rest. He could lend you the strength to show up. He could lend you the strength to face the new challenges in new ways by yourself. He could lend you the strength to learn. He could lend you the strength to fall apart in his hands or with your safe community. He could lend you the strength to hope and dream again. He could lend you the strength to accept the pacing of this new part of the journey. He could even lend you the strength to let your community see you where you really are today. Whatever God is leading you towards, he will lend you the strength needed. Turn to him. His ever-present strength is available. And God is not only able to lend you his support and his strength, he desires to. He is already extending it to you right now and forever. The question is, will you receive it and lean on it today? You were never intended to carry all of that grief, all of that pressure, all of that weight on your own. God is willing and able if you would simply accept his gift and accept his invitation. We'll see you next time.